One of the intriguing piece of software these days is Umbrel OS. Umbrel, the company behind Umbrel OS, has introduced a new home server solution called Umbrel Home with the intent of providing users control over their data, privacy, and digital lives. It is priced at around 700 US dollars. The Umbrel Home, that is, Umbrel Home is aimed at making self-hosting accessible to everyone. By leveraging Umbrel OS, users can eliminate the need for third-party cloud services by utilizing a wide range of self-hosted apps available in the Umbrel App Store, including a Bitcoin Lightning Node, Nextcloud, Plex, and Home Assistant. Umbrel Home offers accelerated performance, featuring a 2.9 GHz quad-core Intel CPU and 2 terabytes of SSD, 16 GB dual-channel RAM, and an active cooling system while consuming just 10 watts of power. This compact home server outperforms a Raspberry Pi 4-based solution in terms of CPU performance, SSD read and write speeds, RAM, and memory bandwidth. So I think that you can have your own little cloud in Umbrel ecosystem, and you can avoid a lot of fees and a lot of other stuff if you are using any third-party cloud services. And right now on your screen, you can see that I am at the Umbrel OS website, and this is how it looks like. You can manage all of these apps very easily. So if I, if you scroll down and check a lot of other stuff in Umbrel OS, you will be very pleasantly surprised how easy it is to use. Yes, I know the entry price is a bit high, but once you have it, I think you can appreciate the robustness of this piece of technology, especially if you are very concerned about your privacy and data ownership. Because with privacy and data ownership concerns on the rise, self hosting presents a modern solution that allows users to take ownership of their data, storage, access, and sharing. Also, this Umbrel Home zero configuration and one-click app installation from the Umbrel App Store make it very easy to build a customized ecosystem tailored to your own use case. I hope that this was exciting. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.